Hello, everyone watching this. Hello, everyone watching this. Kitchen Kettle Village team members interested in entering a car into the employee Rhubarb Derby. Gosh darn it! I need to go to the gym more. My name is Trevor Dydo. I am the marketing intern this summer. Many of you also know me as Chris Dydo's son. Both names are acceptable. I answer to both. First, you're gonna need a stalk of rhubarb, obviously. The car has to be 12 inches in length. Cannot be longer than 12 inches. You know, it doesn't have to be exact, but we're gonna wanna trim off the ends, obviously. And I'm just using a little saw here. Lisa will have tons of tools for you available at Rhubarb King Queen voting. There will be a bunch of tools that you can use, so I just use this little saw to trim up the ends of our car. And the first thing we're going to want to do is insert straws. You have two little straws. This is what the axle for your wheels are going to go through to allow them to spin. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to use another tool to just poke holes through the stalk, one in the front and one in the back, obviously, for our wheels. So look how, see, this is so easy. So easy, even Chris Dydo could do it. We have our holes in rhubarb, I think you can see it anyway. We're gonna put the straws through those holes. They're just little pieces of plastic straws. All right, okay, we got our straw through. Beautiful. Once you have your straws through the holes, it just keeps them open so you can put the axles through. You're gonna get 4 little wheels, and these little axles, I already have this one inserted in the wheel, but basically it's gonna come separate. Basically, you're gonna pop it into the wheel, slide it through the straw, take your other wheel, pop it on the other end of the axle, and then push them together like so. Gosh. I swear it's easy. I'm just not very strong. I need Austin to come in here and do this. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. Push the wheel on. Oh, this one goes on much easier. Perfect. Got your wheels on your car and you're ready to race.